Origin, or pending install, or preparing, or even the error. So I have how to fix it. First, download this file on a Google Drive. Just download it and paste it on desktop, just like that. I already downloaded it, so I don't have to download it again. And second, you gonna close all Origin tabs from here and from taskbar or task manager. Just gonna tap task manager and make sure that there's no anything you have to do with Origin, like this one, Origin help, and close it. Last thing, just make sure that AA core that file on desktop, and just open Origin like you usually open it. He's gonna ask you if you want to use this configuration. Just tap yes, and Origin core is gonna be disappear. EA core is gonna be disappear. And now after opening Origin, I hope everything is gonna be good. If we try to download any game, I'm gonna tap to any game. It's working.